Good morning. How is everyone? I can't even hear your fucking response. It doesn't even fucking matter. Um, Anyways, let's get back into trading. So today we opened up at all-time highs area. I drew out a bunch of levels that I thought would be good support. They're not that deep. They're just supposed to be some sort of support levels and some sort of targets for us to hit and reach. So that's just what it is. And here we go. Coming up around highs. Came down here with the major spike down. Looking at NVIDIA and QQQ and SPY all follow each other. Well, QQQ and NVIDIA follow each other a lot, so that's really what matters. Anyways, now we see in the morning that there was a bunch of bullshit. Came back up, couldn't even hold highs, couldn't hold it, because it's new highs, new territory, makes sense. And this actually, I forgot about the strategy about how when we're testing in new high areas, it's not likely to hold or push through unless there's strong momentum. It looks like there's strong momentum. Came back down, retested it, and then it got back down here. We closed below these lows right here. Right here. We closed all the way down here. This would have been a good entry, but there's also support. We closed below that one again. This would have been a better entry. And then what it should have been was another trade that would have looked like this. And then we would have gotten in here and then I'd take profit to down here and then kept in our stop there. Nice and short and simple. That should have been the play. It would have gotten us out anyways, but that would have been the better play. What I ended up doing was something a little different. I ended up waiting for even more confirmation, such as it going down even further. Almost fell through, but it retraced and then wicked and got me out. The moment I realized, I was like, okay, this is not coming down. SPY, it is not coming down right here. Came back up and broke through these highs. Also on SPY, it had broken through its support, so I thought it was going to continue. Could have waited for a retest. It could have continued. Who knows? It just ended up being an L, and that's okay. I don't need this to be a winner. I don't need every trade to be a winner. I've been winning a lot for the past couple weeks. How much did I lose on that? I lost about $500. I'm up so much more, though. So that's what matters. I'm up so much more in the grand scheme of things. If you could take a look, I'm up $7,280. $7,280.25. That is pretty good. And that is this month. And I'll be damned if you're not happy with $7,000 on the month for just sitting here fucking, just jerking your dick and fucking watching the charts all day. You know what I'm saying? Only for like an hour a day, 2 hours a day. That's it. And then do whatever you want. 3 times a week. Not even 5 times a week. Anyways, then a whole lot of bullshit happened where we chopped left, right, left, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it consolidated. We could have gotten in on this chop, actually. You saw that we tested highs here, went down. Saw that we came up again on highs, came striking back down. Came back up with strong momentum, just like we did the 1, 2, 3. On the third time, we could have expected this again to come around up to here or a little higher and then chop back down. We're technically still in an uptrend. Up. Higher high. Lower high. Lower high. Lower low. Now it's a trend shift. You might even think that, oh shit, we'll get in on a pullback. Get it come up here. Use this level. Come up here. You might even hop in puts here. You might have. This also would have been, in the moment, an agreeable thing to do. I would have done this, but I wasn't on the charts, thankfully. And then set a little stop right here. You would have got stopped the fuck out. It's a shitty day to trade. This is a ranging day, and that kind of tells you that from up in here's movements. And then it did a bunch of bullshit. So what do I have to fix? Look for a better entry, and that's really it. I didn't really do much wrong today. I actually got out of my trade on time, so I'm pretty happy with that. that's it for today's recording. I'm going to see y'all later. Everybody enjoy their day. There's 0 people watching this. I'm just going to stop wasting my time.